Gotcha. All the way, quick.
Oh my god.
That is pathetic.
That is the worst thing I've ever tasted in my life. It was like I just drank Vapor Rub. You don't do that. That is the wrongest flavor. That is so. My insides feel like Vapor Rub. I hate this. Are you supposed to drink this?
But somebody else looked at the box.
You sure you just drink Vapor Rub?
I feel like I might have.
You made the box.
It doesn't ever say to drink it. It just says 1 to 2 times. That I'm not drinking anymore. Oh my god. This is the worst thing. Oh god.
Ow. That's French.
You'll cut out.
She's laying on the floor, apparently.
Did we shake it?
It's too late now. I'm pretty sure that it wouldn't say mix with honey if you weren't supposed to drink it.
They never say mix with honey when it's that bad tasting.
Are you videoing this for the YouTube?
Oh yeah.
This is so. My tongue is numb. It's numb, guys. My tongue is numb.
Well, you're right, it doesn't say to drink, but it doesn't say not to drink.
Yeah. Like usually you have like a warning like do not drink.
Yeah, it would tell you not to.
It does say cough syrup, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Like does it?
No. It says fast relief of cough, congestion.
Where would you put it?
Oh, I don't think it would say mix with honey if you're supposed to put it on you. Because that'd be gross. You're supposed to drink it, you're fine.
Guys, that is the worst thing I've ever tasted.
Maybe it'll help though.
Go and get some chocolate covered
Gallon water
cashews.
medicine.
Someone give me something to eat or suck
We
on.
can make the soup.
Oh. Oh.
Do you want to fudge
Can I eat things with this?
It doesn't say not
It doesn't, yeah, it doesn't.
Have some maple syrup now.
Drink it. Just drink the maple syrup. Don't drink water, it will enhance the flavor.
Do you want a fudge sickle?
I told you. My throat is burning, like, you know when you brush your teeth? Yes. My throat. It's mint. Yes, stop it. Vapor Rub. It literally tastes like I just drank Vapor Rub. It smells like it too. It's the worst thing I've ever done. I don't like this at all. I can't do that again.
Now, the worst thing you've ever done.
At this point, guys, I wish you guys could drink this to know what I'm feeling right now. I think we're good. No, nothing should be that color.
Do you want-
Why did she just drink the cough syrup with us here?
Is there any other cough syrup upstairs? You,
That was for.
because I like cough syrup. I like it a lot.
Why?
Because it tastes good and it makes me throat better. But this is not okay. It might make your throat better.
But hey, you haven't coughed since you took it.
Calm down.
True. People.
We'll let you guys go.
Okay. Love you. I feel like sick.
They are.
This is so bad. Can I take it back?
It's gonna get worse before it gets better.
Pine needle oil?
It's essential oil, it works.
Daddy,
Okay.
you're connected to the night-night thing.
Methanol,
Yeah.
ammonium carbonate,
Methanol is the
Potassium
vapor rub you were tasting.
bicarbonate. No. Nope. Put it away. Goodbye. See you later.
Every 2 to 3 hours, right?
Oh, no. I'm not taking this anymore. It's not Canadian. This is from Satan. I don't like it.